Now let's look at how we do our classes each day. You do not want to be in Clever. That is only for attendance, Smarty Ants, and Dreambox. You want to look for Canvas, which unfortunately is only labeled student. It is the red snowflake with a white background here. If you don't see it on the toolbar at the bottom, you might have to slide back and forth on your pages for apps until you find it. But it should be either or. Click on that. It's going to take you directly in to the students' pages. Here you'll see we have kindergarten specials. You need to do the special for each day. You can refer to our newsletter, or the children know what their special is of the day. Click on that and go in and complete the courses. You will do ELA or English. You will do math. You will do phonics, which is our Hegarty class. And then you will also do writing, which is our foundations. So you will need to click on all 5 every day. So let's go into math first. When you go into math and math only, you need to go into Great Minds SSO here on the left-hand side. Click on that. It'll come up, say good morning, and yes, Charlie, I did borrow your sign-on. Once you get this good morning, you are done. Hit done in the upper left-hand corner, and now you're ready to do the math. I always have the kids hit the double arrows. That way it goes full screen. It's just easier for them to see. Click on the Go Tigers for your assignment today. It'll bring up 2 days. I've been putting the dates in so you know you're at the right date. Click that first line underneath today's assignment. I have also added this little click here icon, my little smiley face. He tells you where you need to click to get work that needs to be submitted. So for this class, you're going to page through. You can listen to the videos, audios to explain what's happening for the day. When you get to a work that needs to be submitted, you click on it and it'll bring the work up. Now you have a PDF to work in. You hit the pen at the top. Pen. You read the directions. A puppy had 5 bones. He buried some in the yard and put some by his dish. So draw his bones. So I'm going to draw his dish. And then over here would be the yard. And I tell the kids, they're not an artist. This is not art class. We're just going to do the best we can. So then you draw his bones. Again, I'm not looking for a perfect bone. I'm looking for the dish, I'm looking for the yard, and seeing that the children broke it up into 2 different groups. If you need to scroll down, you click out of the pen, and you can move your PDF up and down if there was something at the bottom that you needed to see. Double check that there isn't work down here that you've missed. Once you've completed what is requested, and you can play with this for different width lines, different colors. Once you are done, you will submit the work. You're going to hit the submit box in the upper right hand corner with the arrow pointing up. Then you need to submit it through Canvas. Again, we're looking for the student snowflake. Click on that. Give it a second. It'll pop up and add that activity into the submission. Once you do that, submit turns blue. Hit submit. You will get assignment submitted. That means it's at my end, and now I can look at the work that the student has done. Once you get that message, you hit back to go back to your work. You have submitted what needs to be done for this particular assignment. Hit next. On this one, for math, it's always a video. You open it in Safari. This is the video lesson for today. Watch the video. Once the student has watched the video, you hit done. Again, next. There is assignment details. There is an audio explaining it to you. There's what your worksheet's going to look like. You can click here for the PDF. Do your work, submit it. And when it's submitted, you can hit back. You will continue through this course until you get, oops, I went too far. You will do the answers. Then you will do, if there's any assessment prompt, sometimes it's an audio where you click submit and you record yourself and then submit the recording. You can take a picture of work you've drawn. You keep hitting next, and I need to look into this and find out why this says it's locked, but you will get to a congratulations page. Usually it's a big smiley face, and that's the guy that tells you you're done with today. So let's go back. Oops, sorry. Go back to dashboard. Back out of this class. Back to your courses. So we already did math. Now let's look at Heggerty phonemics. Again, arrows. Hit on the tiger paws. The first one is today, day 4. You click on the next bar below the heading. And Heggerty is super easy. It's just Miss Gable doing videos, leading them through the activities. They are to participate with the activities, do the words, do the hand gestures. This is what we do in class, so it's just a repeat of what we would do here if they were in class. Once they've watched the video, click next, and here's the guy I was looking for. Congratulations, you finished your lesson for today. Now you are done. That means you can get back out of here and you can go on to another class. You'd work through each class. Once you have all classes work completed, you're done for the day. And while I'm thinking of it, I want to see what it looks like at your end. If we went into English ELA, if you hit announcements, I have them in there with the date. If you were to click on that, I have submitted an agenda. Each agenda tells you exactly what needs to be done for the day and for each class. So this will change depending on the day and the class. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact me either through Dojo or send me an email. Thank you.